close to the banana tree.
Uh-huh.
Now here is a beautiful leaf. Two colors. You see that color?
Yeah.
See that color?
Oh my. So nice.
And I found a little seed. It's rolling around.
Excellent. And what did you find, Carrie?
Well,
And we lost a few on the road.
a really pretty leaf, a vine plant, and then we found these little flowers, which smell really, really strong, and then these beautiful red ones.
That's so nice. And you saw a butterfly?
We saw a butterfly. It was a beautiful blue butterfly. We chased it away.
And what else did you see in the jungle?
Lots and lots of trees, huge trees that were bigger than our arms.
Very big.
So how long were you gone on your jungle walk?
2 hours.
Wow.
2-hour jungle walk.
And was it worth getting hot and sweaty?
It was. You couldn't pay money to walk.
Wow.
What we just walked.
Wow. That's great. And who were your guides?
Our guides are Eric and Alfonso.
And what day is it today?
We lost track of time.
It's
Jungle
Day.
Day.
Friday.
Jungle Day.
I think it's, I don't know, the 25th. And what are we waiting to do soon?
You can't take me away from here.
We're waiting for Alberto, the pilot, to come pick us up in the water plane.
Oh, very good.